If you've ever wondered how Mother Nature makes springtime so beautiful, you now know the answer, caught on this exclusive videotape. Mother Nature in action. What are you doing, Glena? What were you doing?
Watering the plants.
Oh, are you Mother Nature? Are you the fairy that makes all the things grow?
My wand is over there. I am a homemaker, and I have learned how to get very shy too. And I am doing that for you about plants, how they can grow. And if you're naughty, you cannot listen. Okay? Get it? Yes, I do. La 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 la.
Let's see how Mother Nature gathers more water for her plants.
I'm Mother Nature. She's daughter Nature. She's like, ah! Well, we're going to Jessica's house. Oh, I need water the plant.
Okay, water it, then we'll get the cart.
Come on. I'm going to get it. Alright, wait.
I came outside and in my shock, I caught Mother Nature in action making spring beautiful.
Yeah, and then I'm Mother Nature. She's daughter Nature. Why are you calling her Mother Nature? Well, you're so nice. Bye-bye. Oh, no.
There you go.
Hello.
Okay, hurry and water it, and then we're going to go.
Who's here?
Grandpa.
What's he doing here?
Grandfather Nature.
Grandpa Nature.
What's he doing?
Nature dog.
I can't see him through the glare, but his lips are moving.
Lips are moving, but we can't hear what he's saying.
Dad, remember on the movie?
It's just so clean. It's so clean that you can't tell it's rolled up. How are you?